What's your name? Could you tell me a little bit about yourself, starting with your name? I like reading. I've always been an avid reader and enjoy getting lost in a good book. The food is great. The cuisine here is absolutely exceptional. The flavors are incredible. I have a job. I'm currently employed in a role that I find really challenging and rewarding. Where are you from? What part of the world do you originally hail from? If you don't mind me asking. I don't understand. Could you possibly clarify that point for me? I'm not quite following. The movie was good. The film was engaging and the plot was full of unexpected twists and turns. I'm happy. I'm feeling thoroughly content and at peace with everything at the moment. I'm going home. I'm thinking of calling it a day and heading back to my place. What time is it? Do you happen to know the current time? I've lost track of it. The book is interesting. The novel is fascinating. The author's writing style is so captivating. I need help. I could really use some assistance or guidance with this. Would you be able to lend a hand? I'm tired. I'm feeling rather exhausted. I think I might need to get some rest soon. The city is big. The metropolitan area is vast and sprawling, with so much to see and explore. I love music. I have a deep passion for music. It's something that brings me a lot of joy and comfort. I don't know. To be honest, I'm not entirely sure. I'd have to look that up or find out more information. The teacher is nice. The instructor is very kind and supportive. They create a positive learning environment. I'm hungry. I could really do with something to eat. Is there anywhere around here that serves good food? The hotel is expensive. The accommodation is quite pricey. But it's worth it for the excellent service and amenities. I have a car. I own a vehicle, which gives me the freedom to travel wherever I want, whenever I want. I'm cold. I'm feeling a bit chilled. Do you think we could turn up the heating or find a warmer spot? The beach is beautiful. The coastline is stunning, with crystal clear waters and pristine sand that stretches for miles. I'm excited. I'm absolutely thrilled and looking forward to what's going to happen next. The phone is new. I've recently acquired a state-of-the-art smartphone. It's got some amazing features and capabilities. I need a break. I'm feeling a bit burnt out. I think I need to take some time for myself to relax and recharge.